In the previous video, we already introduced how to find the Laurent series for this function in the domain from 0 to 1. And in this short video, we are going to introduce how to find the Laurent series for the same function in a different domain, which is the absolute value of z is larger than 1. So first, we know we are still going to use this format to figure out the Laurent series. But this time, since the given domain is larger than 1, but we have to make this so-called z value, the absolute value of z, less than 1. And this is what we are going to do. So from this given condition, let's just make both parts be divided by absolute value of z. So we know 1 over absolute value of z less than 1. So we are going to substitute 1 over absolute value of z into this format. So next, let's just do something here. In order to have 1 minus format in the denominator part, so let's just change the original function into 1 over z squared times 1 over 1 plus 1 over z. And in order to have this 1 minus, we need to do one thing further, which is to change 1 plus 1 over z to 1 minus 1 over z in the denominator part. And since the absolute value, 1 over z, the negative, which is less than 1, so we can just use this given format to just substitute minus 1 over z into the sum. So it becomes 1 over z squared times the sum from 0 to infinite minus 1 over z to the power of n. And of course, just like what we did before, we can make minus 1 within the parentheses out and also put this 1 over z squared into this sum. And we have this result. Sum minus 1 to the power of n times z to the power of minus n plus 2. And of course, we can just do some updates here. Assume m equals n plus 2, so n is m minus 2. Therefore, we just substitute m into this previous equation. And we have sum. M starts from 2 to infinite. And then minus 1 to the power of m minus 2 times z to the power of minus m. So this is the updated format of the Laurent series for this given function in this domain.